Okonomiyaki is a popular pan-fried food that consists of batter and cabbage. Selected toppings and ingredients are added which can vary greatly, anything from meat and seafood to wasabi and cheese. The variability is reflected in the dish's name. Okonomiyaki literally means to one's liking. The dish is available all over Japan, but is most popular in the West, particularly the cities of Hiroshima and Osaka. Making okonomiyaki isn't a daunting task at all. Here I'm going to teach you how to make it. First, you're going to need 1 egg, followed by 2 cups of cabbage that's shredded, 70 milliliters of water, and 5 tablespoons plain flour. After the basic ingredients, you can go ahead and add any other ingredients you want in there. Most people do a lot of seafoods, meats, cheeses, eggs, and etc. and so forth. These are just some of the ones that we ordered and decided to go ahead and try out.
I'm taking video, go ahead.
In Japan, people usually eat okonomiyaki at restaurants that specialize in the dish. At some of these restaurants, the dining tables are each equipped with an iron griddle called a teppan, and customers are given the ingredients to cook the meal themselves. As you can see here, mixing can be rather difficult because the bowls end up being so tiny. The batter and the ingredients will usually be brought in a bowl, such as these, and the customer is able to see everything that was ordered that is in there, and all the stuff is fresh and of good quality. Mixing the batter and ingredients, you have to mix them extremely quickly so that they're evenly distributed. As you can see for hers, though, it was rather troublesome.
Stop whenever you want.
After making sure that the gas is on the stove and applying oil to the cooked surface, the mixture of the okonomiyaki can be poured onto the hot griddle.
That's how it's done. Yeah, I wouldn't know. Alright, split time.
Once one side of the okonomiyaki has been sufficiently cooked, the spatula uses one in each hand to flip it onto the other side. This is the most difficult part of the process, and one needs to make sure that the okonomiyaki has been cooked through enough to hold together. Next is go ahead and put any toppings that you want to go ahead and put on your okonomiyaki. The first is okonomiyaki sauce, which is probably the most delicious part of the okonomiyaki. This is called aonori. It's a dried seaweed which is normally sprinkled over the okonomiyaki with a little spoon. The aonori is usually stored right beside the katsuobushi. Mayonnaise is added to okonomiyaki usually in zigzagging lines. Because mayonnaise is a relatively new addition to okonomiyaki, there are a few stores that do not have it available. The last step to making okonomiyaki is the most enjoyable, eating the okonomiyaki. The spatulas that are given to you are used to break off small pieces to eat. Because the okonomiyaki is normally left on the griddle while eating, every bite is fresh off the grill. However, in my case, I end up putting it on my plate. Itadakimasu!